Hey guys, I'm here at the BYD showroom in Ara Damansara, but I'm not here to review a car, I'm here to pick up my own new car. Let's check it out. This is it guys, my very own BYD Dolphin extended range. And before you ask, no, they did not give this car to me for free. I paid full price for it, right down to the last cent. But full disclosure, the MD did give me a 3-year free service package with the purchase. So yeah, there's that. So this car is actually for my wife, for her to go to the mama or the markets nearby just to park very easily. This car, with its size and especially the price, is an absolute no-brainer for us. The price especially is this car's biggest selling point. Here in Malaysia, we always say that our cars are just way too expensive. When someone buys a Mercedes-Benz in Malaysia, we'll have people saying when you buy the same car in the UK, you can afford an AMG. But here, it's the other way around. This BYD Dolphin with the exact same specs in the UK is priced about £31,000 or the equivalent of 180,000 ringgit. But here, this is 125,000 in Malaysia. To me, I think that's a really good deal. It also helps that I think the car looks really good, especially from the back here. It's also a nice size for a city runaround. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just nice. Inside is also a nice place to be. These front seats are incredibly comfortable, and the rest of the cabin, they don't feel too much like a cheap car. You've got this big center touchscreen which can be rotated. I think this is a fancy party piece that you'll probably use once or twice in its entire lifetime, but it's still nice to have. It also has full Apple CarPlay connectivity, which to me is an absolute must these days. So the first thing I'm going to do with this car is to swap out these special Linglong Dolphin tires to proper Michelins. Me personally, I am very particular about tires, so this has to go. Next, I've also arranged for the car to be tinted today, including the big sunroof, and then it's on to the number plate. That's my birthday, by the way, but I just don't think this wide number plate holder fits the actual back plate on the bumper. That has to be changed too. After that, I'll be installing the onboard dash cam behind this centerpiece over here that is missing on our local cars. I've ordered this on Shopee for about 250 ringgit. After that, I'm done. So that's it, our new BYD Dolphin. I think both my wife and I will be extremely happy with this car for at least the next few years. If you have any questions to ask me, do let me know in the comment section below. For now, thank you for watching and stay safe everyone.